Here's the weekend update for May 14th, 2011. The Nasdaq theme on the chart. We go back just a little further. How about 6 months? Okay. Um. Actually, how about 1 year? Okay. The Nasdaq 1 year chart. There's a possibility that again, this is wave one, wave two, wave three, wave four, and then we hit a fifth wave up. And if Nasdaq drops below 2805, it may set up a test of 2700 or as low as 2600 in a flat ABC flat. Uh, we've gone really sideways in the past few days, but when it's sideways like this, it usually breaks to the downside. I rarely see a sideways move like this that breaks to the upside. So we need to watch 2805 in the Nasdaq in the coming weeks or coming days. For S&P, same thing. Wave one, wave two, wave three, wave four, wave five. 1329 is support for S&P. If that breaks, which is a good possibility since we closed the lows on Friday, then we might test as low as 1300 or even as low as 1250 to create a wave two, at least after five waves up. Um, the third wave fell short heading into May, and then May would just been sideways and crappy for the past couple weeks. But again, 1329 needs to hold for the Dow. Let's look at the diamonds. Yeah, wave one, wave two, wave three, wave four, wave five. So Dow needs to hold 12,500 to the downside. If we can't hold that level, I could see 12,100 to the downside in a C wave. Well, C wave will actually drop as low as 124 or 12,400. See S&P again. S&P a zigzag would drop to as low as 1310, and for Nasdaq a zigzag will drop as low as 2775 and fill that gap between 2750 and 2780. All right, for the USO, looks like this could be wave one and wave two, and commodities are just dragging the market down, and it's been pretty heavy on the USO. I mean, when I drive around and I look at the gas stations, I don't understand why the gas stations still charge 404, 405 for regular. Doesn't make any sense, but hopefully, I mean, I would actually like to see the USO just get killed, so gas prices would drop. But that would affect the overall market. And when they have margin calls, they sell everything, including the winners like Baidu and Sina and Apple and Google and all that stuff. So I could actually see a downward three form to as low as 32. That'd be wave one, wave two, wave three, because this is in crash mode basically. SLV is obviously in crash mode. People are calling this a fifth wave down. I really don't think it's a fifth wave down, but if there's a fifth wave down, it could rally to size 40, 40 to 41 before dropping again. I can actually see 26 again on SLV. The strange thing right now is the GLD. The gold has not been hit yet, as hard as it could be. It could get some slammed the next week because it's the last man standing. It can't hold up this long. I mean, it's only dropped like maybe 5% at worst. While the SLV has dropped what, like 30%. I mean, I would not be holding gold right now because it's the last man standing. And once they unleash the gold, it'll be pretty nasty. And I don't think gold can hold up this long. That's a wrap.